Hey everybody, it's Terry over here at the Robin's Nest by Terry. So I had my live sale tonight over on Virtual Home Decor Marketplace and sold a lot of things. One of them was this big wood banner. This thing is probably 2 feet by, I don't know, at least 18 inches. I painted him last year as a project, taught it inside of Painting for Profits, sold it today. And now I need to touch it up. It is, I don't think it's been sealed. So I thought that I would jump on with you guys and show you what I'm doing for my project tomorrow inside my painting group. Let me bring you up over here. Let's see. You know I don't know how to use this darn thing. Okay, I can see you guys jumping on anyway. I just can't see your comments. Did you guys see my shirt that my friend Marcy made? Okay, did I seriously just do that? Hi, Vicki. Hi, Colleen. I don't think I got it in my hair. Anyway, Marcy made me this really cute shirt. All I want to do is paint, you guys. That's all I want to do. And I need to take a picture of it before I actually get paint on it. So I'm going to, do I have something to show you? I don't think so. So my live sale was tonight over in the marketplace. And I forgot to sell my stationery cards. So I'll be putting those up as a post tomorrow. So I did get those done. I don't think I have any of the hand-painted stuff left. People are watching the replay. So if you didn't catch me on Virtual Home Decor Marketplace, you can catch those replays up until, mine will be up till Wednesday. And I sold quite a few of the sets of bobbins. I'm going to post those on my page tomorrow that I have left because I don't got nothing to do with them. They need to go. Look at these bobbins. I don't know how many of these that we had at one time. But for spring, my husband would make dragonflies with them. And then he'd put them on stakes, he'd put them on these welded rods, sometimes on a birdhouse. But anyway, I got a big basket of those that gotta go. All right, let me bring you down here, all the way down. Let me tell you what I'm doing. I am going to make a door hanger for my Painting for Profits group tomorrow. I'll let my paint dry up. Hold on. And being yellow, I'm sure you can guess what the theme is going to be. You know what happens when I do this? Then the whole lid will pop off. So let me get into that bottle. I spend more time on my page trying to get paint out of bottles than anyone I know. There we go. So if I'm painting it yellow, what the heck am I painting? I've done my dragonflies. In fact, oh, you know what? I got a butterfly that I forgot to sell tonight. I found it up in my loft. I was up and I cleaned out my lofts today. Or I didn't clean out my lofts. I moved things around. Can I say that? Is there a difference between cleaning and just moving things from one space to the other? And I got out a lot of my spring that I did last year and my summer things so that I can start sublimating some different designs. There we go. So now tomorrow, hopefully it's warmer out, I can get out and take some pictures. Because while I was up there, I was trying to find, things to sell. I found more Easter stuff, which of course happens all the time. But I was looking, at one time, Brittany used to make these honey pots. And so she had amber colored hot glue gun sticks and a dedicated glue gun for it. Guess who probably threw it away in all of my throwing things away phase? Well, now I've got to go on to Amazon and order some because I want to put a big limb. I'm going to put welcome up here, a big limb. In fact, let me show you because I've already painted it out and figured it out. Let me see which one it is. See? Something like that is what I'm going to make into a big door hanger. Except I want honey dripping all over it. And I really wish I had a beehive stencil. I don't have that either, so nothing like figuring it out at the last minute, huh? But I want a small hive and I want a big bee. We're getting into that season where it's too late for Easter. It's, because we're all here to make and sell. And it's kind of that in-between stage. You don't know exactly what to make right now. I am going to get this bee one done because I'm heading into camping. Will probably be the one next week. Camping, lake signs, pool signs, hot tub signs, airbrushing. I want to do all the things. And I think on this one, actually, I'm going to go ahead and shade it while I've got it wet. Use modeling paste and gold metallic paint. Well, thank you, Colleen. Hi, Michelle. Yeah, you know what? I know, if I close them. Michelle, you were right. It's a B. If I close them, they would be fine. I know. I always have good intentions. Do any of you have that? It's like I intend to do it, but I'm telling you, I'm here until I am so tired. I was telling this to the girls the other day, that I stay over here and work so late that by the time I'm done, I don't want to do anything. I just walk home. Sometimes I'm so tired I just fall into bed. I don't put my pajamas on, nothing. I just go to bed. And then sometime during the middle of the night I get up and get ready for bed and go back to bed. I do have, Marcy brought me a piece of stencil. I could. But I kind of don't want to use my Glowforge. I'm trying to concentrate on my sublimation first. I've got all these images and I'm trying trying to do one thing at a time because I'm overwhelmed. I've got so many images that I need to sell, and I either need to sell the image to other people to use, or I need to use them. Oh, thank you, Linda. You like bees from a distance? Me too. Hi, Mary Lou. Okay, I'm going to have to take Colleen's word for it, and I do have modeling paste, but this is going to go up and dry for my class tomorrow. Colleen's good with all that stuff like Brittany used to do. I thought it would be just as easy to take a glue gun and squirt it all over the place. That was my thought. So tonight on my sale over on the marketplace, this one sold. Hi, Miss Deborah. And this is another one that I taught last year inside the group. And it's got a few little dings on it that I need to fix. It has not even been sprayed yet. And I love this one. And so tonight I did a sale over on Virtual Home Decor Marketplace, which is where I sold this. And while I was looking for some things to sell today, guess what I found? I found a black light bulb. New and in the package. So now I have to do a black light painting. It's kind of, this is what reminds me of black lights, you know? Oh, Linda, I'm sorry it sold tonight. I had a sale over on Virtual Home Decor Marketplace, and Pam Reeves is the one who bought this one. Sorry about that. I didn't do a very good job letting everybody know that I was selling tonight. I have to give that a couple of coats. But I want to make sure that it's completely solid. I don't know, but I love those cattails. Aren't those cute? They kind of look like corn dogs, but they also look like cattails. So now I want to do a new painting with cattails. So maybe I need to update my frog, update the mushroom, but this thing's big. I know it's 2 feet this way, and it's probably 18 inches that way. I still got to take it and stain it on the back side. Actually, my husband will do that. And then I'm going to have him drill 2 holes up here so he can put rope in there. Oh, thank you, Vicki. How are you tonight? Thank you, Debbie. I'm glad you like it. It's cute. You guys, that's why I have to concentrate on sublimation. I've got all these images. Once I'm done with this, before I ship it out tomorrow, I'm going to scan it, and then I can make garden flags with this image. Somebody, or Pam's going to get the original, but I can still use this to make, other things with it. So I've just got a lot of originals that need to go. So I'm going to start doing a sale every Monday night because over on Virtual Home Decor Marketplace, we are now Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So I will be having a sale over there next week with some new things. Go over that with black. That white's getting hard to front cover. So I'll let that dry overnight before I mess with it. But oh, you know what else I've got? When I had my husband cut this for my design, I also did an Uncle Sam with, I think he was a gnome Uncle Sam actually, and then it had USA down this way. So I had him make me a few new ones or blank ones, and I need to come up with some more designs for these because this one worked out really well. Okay, I'm going to have him, I was going to have him stain it, but I got some messes on that side, so pull the big dried paint out of this. Marlene, I teach them here online. I have not painted my calendar squares. I have kind of turned it into something different, but I can't tell you yet till I get a few more done. I'm still doing small paintings. They're not on the calendar because what happened was I can't use them for anything else. So I'm basically wasting my time putting a lot of effort into a calendar square. Well, now I'm doing something different with them, but I'm not ready to reveal it yet. I'm working on some things. I love the calendar idea, and I'm still working each day on painting something. So, but it's going to be something nicer. So, can't wait to tell everybody, and you know darn good and well, I can't keep a secret, so. And my painting lessons are on Tuesday and Thursday nights online. I don't know if any of you cut your own wood, but I am now with a company that's cutting my designs. Now, they don't have very many yet. I got to get on that this week. But for 18-inch designs, my ladies will be getting them for, when they stack coupons, $4 to $5 for an 18-inch design. Then you can teach them at paint parties, all the places. And for 18-inch wood, that's really cheap. I wouldn't even have my husband go out and cut it for that. So I'll take you back in the back here in just a moment, and I'll show you what I'm working on. Got that done. Look at that. It's so pretty. I just want to turn that black light on. If I had known I was going to be working on this tonight, I would have brought it over here. I did paint a ladybug the other day. I did. I got a secret coming up. Okay. Let me show you what it looks like when you can see all of it. Look how big that darn thing is. It's big.